Do you ever feel like giving up because no one's watching your videos? I've been there, and honestly, I still am there. And it's tough, but here's the truth. Motivation alone won't get you far. And today, I'm going to share how I stayed consistent with my YouTube channel, even when no one was watching, and how you can do the same. So maybe you clicked this video because you're struggling with consistency. Maybe you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, but feel overwhelmed. Or maybe you've started and the views just aren't coming in. And now you're asking yourself, what's the point? I know how much that doubt can hurt because I've felt it too. But here's the game changer. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is what keeps you moving forward when no one's watching. So I'm a life and career coach, and I help people find the courage to go after their dreams. But I also make a point to live by this myself, even when it feels like an uphill battle. So when I first started my channel, I pushed so much energy into my first few videos, but then reality hit. My videos got barely any views, maybe 10, 20 if I was lucky, and honestly, many of them still do. And honestly, I've also questioned myself, like, why am I even doing this? But instead of waiting to feel motivated, I've decided to rely on discipline instead. So I set a simple goal. Just keep posting. No excuses. Even when the views aren't there, I keep going. And you know what? Over time, my skills improve, my confidence grows, and I have started to see some small wins. A few more comments and one video with almost 1,000 views, and I'm really proud of that. So here's why this mindset matters for YouTube or any creative journey. If you give up, nothing happens. The channel stays dead. But if you keep going, even when it feels pointless, you get better. You learn what works. You slowly start building an audience, and let me tell you, I really love it every time I get a comment on a video. So focus on consistency and not perfection. I try to forget everything about creating the perfect video, which I tried in the beginning, but just hit record and post. It's better to have 100 imperfect videos than 10 perfect ones who no one ever sees. And I've learned to celebrate the small wins. If I got 5 views, that's 5 more people than yesterday. If I got 1 comment, that's someone engaging with my work. So detach from the numbers and focus on creating content that you enjoy. And if you love what you're doing, it'll shine through in your videos. And eventually, people will notice. So if you're a YouTuber or you're trying to start something new, don't wait for motivation. Just keep going. Like I keep telling myself, you're building something bigger than today's view count. And the only way to fail is to stop. So if you want to join me in building your YouTube channel, consider subscribing and let me know in the comment what is your biggest struggle, because I have many of them. Thanks for watching, and remember, discipline over motivation. That's how we win.